Sino-sino po ang mga pumatay?
Wala akong listahan yan, ma'am. You have to go.
Yan ba ang trabaho ng pulis? Na pumatay ng mga suspected criminals?
Let me tell you, nasa lahat ng implementation sila against the fight against drugs. Hindi ka pwedeng lumapit sa drug pusher o sa drug lord at sabihin mo, pwede ho ba tumigil na ho kayo? Kasi lahat ito, all of these people, all of these personalities, they have firearms. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa tumigil ka na, ay babarili ka kagad ng mga yan. So during the implementation na nanguhuli sila at hinaharan nila to, nagkakaputukan talaga, and that is really true. Sad na may namamatay. Sad pati yung police na sasama. Pero inuutusan yung police. Trabaho nila, Mr. Chair, pag sinabi na nag-hire up sila, gawin nyo ito. They will do what they're told. And that's the reason na marami namatay. Both from the civilian, both from the police, pati na rin yung mga drug personalities.
Your concern is human rights. Mine is human